Kan. Sabi ubu man man ye tanyama o mampani outi amenu so ye koto so aba no ulusu almost by 1 million votes. That was an overwhelming endorsement of your incompetent and corrupt government. I will lead you on my way. What's the Kwame Sefa it's not the program so secondary schools are almost e block 200. Omo monitor who say omo insini. But oh, so besi e block 200.
Quote me well, because omo insini. Quote me well. Quote me.
What's besi e block 200? Na se west e block 200. Na se me pato, me se me kan wasem a. Me kan wasem a, am for no beji media no so munjimi ndi. Say oh, me kwa he no man peni so besi 200 and pampa 200 wasini nyina. Journalists funny central for this asem na chi o mamu ha. A o mo kwa hwe say e block 200 yesi no. Report man o me back. World Bank there 27. I know any bank of any government of Ghana sika or my penny John Man now buying sika and DC and you to me see out of 27 no or my penny Dianca Sansa on the Ghana DSA to me see a further 29 out of 200 e-blocks. Now say it's a 12 for thing. Normally this report will be 2 men for your mindful who say or my penny service said what do you throw e-block now also we see 200 no do out to me see any ni out to me ye it's a 12 for Adabraka Mama Muni was in a Chukwapa, it's a job for that time. Assembly, any shame. Assembly, any shame. You were my wim. Over 2014 World Cup, Brazil. I call World Cup, Kobo by new change some coca, choka. When Koto $1,000 in Akotoy, when Koto Kube $2,000 in Akotoy, when Koto money, near who in Akotobai. Ye by any of the cancer same way yet see, Commission of Inquiries, ye and same way. If you we na report in the buy or man penny John Domani Mambo issue white paper. But on me one memoir. Say in semna any sumwa diabo in pennyfobu on abemua, sansi mebu abono, wa absorb him. Nemo or sambo mabaso, or mumba joining or castle as presidential aides, no mumbu imbu mine. Ubu or mine with such corrupt attitude. Ubu or mine with such ketasishani proyen so. Now for so sa. Na sense ntwofo hu no maka no o ebie so ntuma na Ghana fo hu a omuni aso otikwa pa. Maybe he should ask himself a question. Adenti ena say if it is true indeed say journalist ene omunyira omo ho nka aban we corruption asem say na no mo Canadian no. Perhaps there are no corruption issues to talk about. Perhaps issues no somebody's imagination, the figment of somebody's imagination. Into the journalist no sabi omo ya badwemo afo omo adwemu do omo ko school omo antete into nsam ni pie no mkodi a kira omo say asemi dia ababi anim asemi dia evidence bi anim asemi ye dia kira sabi say be ni wa sekeke na be kan no ma toton ba bi no omo ko because those corrupt issues are somebody's imaginative ideas. They are not real. Obi na atena ba bi aboni tirim aboni sirim akeka nsam na to mpanifo bi so abemu into hwehwemu a ukodu a kira hu say asemi omo kan di anajo man asem ababi anim yen sentwofo yentumi enkodi asemi achi ne yengu yehu anim ase obi ti say Manasi Azuria okana asemi he has been very critical of the government but o kacha me say me boa na memwa he has been very critical of this government
but I know o say adwuma o waya mamoa so akatua mani ntina obi a oyesa Sasam na okano. Yemfantu senyeni ni ehwa asem ni ye. Nipa no ye opposition no. Na obo abayechi. E ba cho wutie mi. Na Manase Azuri obo abayechi. Ni de oya ne se ne nsemmone ekoso abamu no. Obepa ho ntoma na manfu ahu na manfu ati. E na maban afiri mu. E na mako opposition. Aban foforo baye. Nipa na dwuma oyen. Enu an ogusu ye se obo abayechi. En some osusu se enkoyi nyama bonu osusu akoso abemu e na opa ho ntoma ma amanfo nyina hu osi yadane atia no enti na oye nya oye no na nipa yen ne no edampam sanya moka yen wo position yatumi ahwe no asobi agu na no ama na tafre yaba abemu mu anke ye be so kesi ama na tafre na obedane etuo na si yeso na obehwutu yen yaba abemu mu no yantumi anke teli no yantumi ahwe no yantumi ambo bi anhye ni nsem ama na nye din ye position yatumi hwe no Yaba bemu yentumi ahwe na he say okan hasem so who say nsem no mokeka no esisi so sebi ababi anim esa ne say wo hwe amembu a eye John Dramani Mahama obebu wo o man Ghana 4 years
from 2012 to 2016 about do or share any number do cash or be I do baby the Minister of Energy catch say one solve doom so problem within a year or the Juma beto and penny and power to me solve more than the Juma to I'm on Penina Cassa share boss or be fix energy problem when to me and fix it. I'm a Ghana for you free ho. And yet a friend is saying what do you call it? Energy we are more to toy. Energy machines on to toy see and family when Yamawadi a more corruption. Some of the your friend is saying energy per kilowatt hour could be produced. The board didn't see the Africa. It's some people in his government had vested interest in it. All these corrupt issues came out against you. Yet now so can you Ghana for it here with some penyampa said waba any dream niketa se shabai. And then ya to abet ya utifi. And yes so unye bida. Why ye bida? Ye dia mo yoda. Where hu yo? Na tikesia area adwen. Banyansa fo bumaye na. Oti in China to ayampia. Oti in China wo kasa keke. Sebi. Unim hua anka osere pro no. Sebi nka wan ho. Unim send you fighting corruption. Unim send you booming. Unim send you fixing nation. And kedema on kwa nye. And ke to abati yao. Enti no mampani John Domani ma ni sem no keka no. Etoda eya na utumu say tumi hunu akeke na wope. Okay kan semu a said you better Ghana for trim, I better Ghana for asum. And ya odi catch say Ghana for we have short memories. When you di kan kasa sem na che da. And when you catch say Ghana for you mudu do na young co school ewie no o ka brofo kwa ye ntiase nti onu no obuye sebe penfo manima Ghana for ye nkwasuafo bi no ofa ye se ngwa nti no ke kansem bi na to Ghana for bitim na aban ho be ye ahi ni ahweso ni ato abama no amana sambe fa benje bim but he's lying.
Okay. Haruna
so say edam ebinu wo ase hwehwe ma edam ewo madwum ne ye ka omo mukum nipa
abranti agye atumu e makopie mo court
ye ka omo mukum nipa omo busuafo no omo ni mo omo di omo chi no a omo jeje omo so medi president no omo ni nipa omo kum omo Ghana eti ye me so be gina bonten ye ka dabio se youth no ye ni abre o omo fu so omo mabunu a ye omo di omo pa omo fa pentopi ne ye nyina ho ne ye hwa omo mabunu o Ghana ha ne ye hwa omo akukudu o Ghana ha say ya ni obi di sia ni pa first ni ya adwese wa ban mu na gentle na nkrofo bi ti office wo ya MPP appointee na to office no obi egu aban no ansori ama mekasa ama me cheche semu a ya in the fixing the country movement ya no obi kan.
Okay,
I'm telling, listen, no men can okay. We are sounding this to everybody say
sure.
And sempa e wo wa se kan ema Ghana ni ba bia hu say en sempa ho yet kromo ama useless people at kromo ama aban mahama aban fun tantan we mahama aban fun tantan we ekosi Commander Sugar Factory Commander Sugar Factory ya hunu ya musa ya rasa achematen say omu ko crash sugar efra brochie ne bae receipt ni down the Ministry of Ayo Commander Sugar Factory go na journalist fobi omu pa ban we asem ni akogina ho ni aye report Commander Sugar Factory is spoiling na ye tete abam ni eto ni hwe omu ye timi kasa encheche nyomamu enchenkofo mo mu hu say this is what happened under a mediocre leadership a onwere Ghana ho na ni bottom ni na fu na obedie na no me ba dia me ka cho abanya efi so 2017 Akufo-Addo ba power 2017 ni personal aid no aton Toyota Camry ama ono ano ho aka one day ni aso Akufo-Addo on no aton to abamu panifo wo mahama ho a ekoje double salary amote parliament and then Akufo-Addo abamu ye lose parliamentary seat hwentokwa no mo ku no parliament ho Argentina, those MPs, you know, they are walking free and they are talking and throwing words about. See, I say to me, I fix your mind. And now, sure. And now, why is it that we are allowing people to just go through a free? Every day, Mama say and fix your mind. Yeah, tell any problem. Airbus, Janua, Okodi, yellow. I can't fixing the country no. And your mind Ghana sika one city kura and na mama so and you lose one city kura no. You must come and explain to us.
Okay.
He must